we hear a noise. Damn. 1, 2. About to do a POV drive, the RS5, nighttime moot. I haven't driven like this in a minute.
Well, when he was doing my alignment, he checked on my tires and saw that one of the tires had a lopsided tread head. I just have to change the tire or wait for it to tread evenly. Ain't getting that sound out of a new car.
Nah, not at all. Nothing beats a V8, bro.
I think last time you drove the car was when the exhaust was stock, right?
Yeah, right on the same street.
Yeah, for real. I never get tired of this. I don't want you to drop the phone.
Nah, you good. Big insurance plan.
I'm about to rip it.
Man, we out here doing the vlog. Next thing you know, we hear a noise. We're like, oh, something's stuck on the tire. Oh yeah, something sure is stuck on the fucking tire. We ain't about to have no fucking tire.
Tire about to fucking explode.
That's crazy.
Tire shine off.
City look beautiful though. Heading to Jersey to get this guy a fucking tire.
Funny enough, the first time I came here, their fucking electricity went out, so they had to do my shit outside in the freezing cold.
Damn.
Really fucking yo.
Gotta spark the J by any means.
It's a little windy out here.
Shout out to Camo Transporters for coming in clutch with the 24-hour tire service.
Got the wing out. Follow that car.
Alright, man.
Jersey shit. We can't go out this way. We gotta hit the backside.
Yeah, you already know. Alright, man.
Then you'll make a right on the this light.
That shit feels so much better.
Bro.
So much better, dog. We needed that. feels crazy.
Like when I'm driving, I don't really feel it.
Nah, the passenger seat, you really get to feel it more. Yeah, that speed limit, Joe, is funny as shit. You guys gotta tell my guy mine to turn that joint off. It's not even remotely the same. What's up, boss man?
Hey, how's it going?
How you doing, brother? Same here. Have a good one. You said it wasn't open? I was supposed to ride that out a little bit. We're gonna go pay the toll again, alright, bro? I'll leave that shit manual now. It's a torquey bitch. Ready? You want to go down by the stadiums?
You want to go downtown one more time?
If you want. What's the easiest way? This way, right?
Yeah.
Ready, guys? Yeah. Ready again? 1, 2. Alrighty. It should be empty. You ready? Ready, y'all? Oh yeah, that was a good one. Are these new lines here? Oh, fuck, they shifting the road. They don't like, you're doing 85, you're doing 85, you're doing 85. Rev limiter. Right here, right? car is such a beast. Like such a beast. We don't get it in second. It's only right. It's only right. Keep going.
You want to head downtown?
Police station.
Damn, you broke.
I know. Let's go.
Trolling.
Yo, people are crazy, bro. They still not moving, bro.
That guy is trolling.
Yo, it really is, bro. God damn, bro. Make a right, you said? Alright. I bet. Hello, officer. Nothing to see here. There's a V8. Good Lord. We're not even close, bro. Oh my God. Can you really be in this lane, or I'm gonna draw on if I do it?
I go do that shit all the time.
Oh shit.
Hesitated for a second.
Yeah, I don't be super fast with the cuts anymore. I'll be on some more chill shit. I'll be like, if I know I could fit, it'd be a fuck it, you know what I mean? What a car, mate. Yeah, I remember when I swung that joint in the scat.
Oh, there's echo right ignorant shit.
Sayonara. Let's go. Off the red limiters hard. That was sick. The rev limiter didn't sound good when I did it on the highway, but that's because I let off. You stayed in it. Oh shit!
I'm in full plate cover mode now.
Ooh!
Ew.
Throw that John neutral real quick. Just finished the POV drive with the RS5. Sheesh. This thing's a beast, y'all. A beast. Shout out to Mon for letting me vlog this. We did a little combo vlog tonight in Philly. Had a little issue with the tire early on, but we out here now. It's about like 3:30 in the morning. Just filming the outro. But this is that bitch. This generation of car is unmatched. Seriously. What a weapon. And all that's done to this car is an X-Pipe. Yo, this car is fucking retarded. All these cars are dumb. Especially this generation.
M3, the C63, love that shit. We just fucking open and fucking going.
Bro, that was 7,000 RPM. We still had 1,200 to go. It is stupid, bro. It is. What a way to end the vlog. Because I'm about to enjoy the rest of the ride home with no camera and just vibe out.